In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rules in Asana, focusing on Asana's rules and automations tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned user or a beginner looking to enhance your workflow efficiency, this guide is designed to help you grasp the concept and application of rules in Asana, ultimately saving time and reducing manual effort. First things first, let's get you into the Asana environment. Start by navigating to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Log In to access your dashboard. New to Asana? No worries, simply click on Get Started or Try for Free to create an account and get a feel for the platform. Understanding what rules in Asana do is vital before diving in. Essentially, they are automated actions that are triggered when specific conditions are met within your projects. These rules significantly aid with various aspects such as task management, providing you with notifications, automatically assigning tasks and handling status updates, all without requiring manual input. Such automation can be a game changer, freeing up time to focus on more strategic tasks. Now in Asana, you have two main ways to work with rules. You can either use the custom rules builder to create your own rules from scratch, or opt for pre-made rules, which are templates that Asana provides to make things easier. Let's explore how you can create a rule in Asana. Begin by opening the project where you intend to automate tasks. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner and you'll find an option labeled Customize. Click on it. Following that, you'll see a section for rules. Here lies the power to either use existing templates or to craft a rule tailored specifically to your needs. When setting up a rule, the first thing to decide is the trigger. This is the action that will activate your rule. Triggers can vary widely, like a task being marked complete or a due date fast approaching. Once you've selected an appropriate trigger, the next step is to define the action that will occur as a result. This could be anything from assigning the task to someone specific, or altering its status, to even relocating it to a particular section within the project. To store your newly created rule, simply give it a meaningful name and click Publish Rule. And there you have it, a rule that stands ready to streamline your workflow. To spark some inspiration, let's discuss some examples of useful rules you might consider implementing. For task management, imagine automatically assigning tasks to specific team members when moved to a certain section. For follow-up reminders, set notifications to ping the assignee if a task is overdue. In terms of status updates, you could design a rule to move tasks into an in-progress section when a collaborator comments. Lastly, for prioritizing tasks, if any are marked high priority, you might want to ensure the project manager receives a notification. There you go, equipped with these insights, you're now ready to set up automation that can transform your productivity in Asana. Happy automating.